Welcome to the PolyPro assembly training videos. This video demonstrates the proper positioning of the touchscreen and the routing of the electrical connection to the base of the Poly Tower. To properly mount the touchscreen assembly to the tower base, first use a screwdriver to gently pry the top cover from the base. Remove the locking ring, wing nut, and washer from the threaded bolt on the lower side of the touchscreen assembly. Set these aside for tightening after the screen is mounted. Inside the cover, note the location of the display connection as well as the V-shaped cutaway where the cord should be placed. Care should be taken to be certain that the cord lies within the cutaway slot to avoid damage to the cord. Excess cord length may be gently tucked into the tower body. Position the cord through the hole in the top cover and line up the arrows on the connector plug with the slot on the connection, being careful not to pinch the cord against the base. The oval-shaped threaded bolt on the base of the touchscreen monitor should be placed through the oval-shaped hole in the base. With the connection completed and the touchscreen mounting bolt in place, the top cover can be snapped in place. Finally, use the washer and wing nut to secure the display to the base.